Good morning, student. Today we will revise lesson 5, power and exponent. Suppose 10 we can express 10 means 10 to the power 1 means here how many numbers of tens? 1 number of tens. Like 100 means we can write 10 into 10 and this 10 into 10 we can write 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 means here 10 how many times? 2 times. Similarly, this 1000 also we can write 10 into 10 into 10. Here how many 10? 3 10. That's why we can write 10 to the power 3. Similarly, this 10,000 also we can express 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 4 times we multiply 10. That's why we can write 10 raised to the power 4. And this 1 lakh we can write 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That means how many numbers of 10 we have to multiply to make 1 lakh? 5 times. And this one in short we can write 10 to the power 5. Why 10 to the power 5? Because here we multiply 10 how many times? 5 times. Suppose if we multiply 10 like this, so 10 into 10 etc. up to 10. This one how many times? N times. Then this one we can write 10 to the power raised to the power n. It is the general form. If we multiply 10 how many times? N times. Then we have to write 10 to the power n. This 10 to the power n, here 10 is called the base and n is called the power exponent, and 10 to the power n is read as 10 raised to the power of or nth power of 10. And 10 to the power n is called the exponential form of 10. That means 10 how many times? N times. And this one notation is known as exponential notation. And here 10 is base, n is power exponent. Do you understand? Now, with the help of example, suppose this one 10 lakh. This 10 lakh, here we have to multiply how many times 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. That's why 6 tens we have to multiply. If we multiply 6 times 10, then this one in exponential notation we have to write 10 to the power 6. Next, here 10 is called the base and 6 is the exponent, power also we can say, and 10 raised to the power 6 is called the exponential form of 10 lakhs. If we given we have to write in exponential form of 10 lakhs, then we have to write 10 to the power 6. Now another important thing. If minus 1, anything negative number, to the power odd number, then we get the odd number. That means here we write minus 1 to the power odd number, then minus 1, and minus 1 to the power even number, then 1. For example, if minus 1 to the power 7, 7 is an odd number. If we minus 1, we multiply 7 times, then we get minus 1. That's why if it is odd number, then our result will be odd number. And if minus 1 raised to the power this number, even number, then our result will be positive 1. Now if we discuss exercise 5.1, question number 1 here given, find the value of 8 to the power 5. 8 to the power 5 means what? We have to multiply 8 how many times? 5 times. If we multiply 8 5 times, then what happen? 8 is 64. And 64 if we multiply by 8, then we will get how much? 512. Again 512 if we multiply by 8, then 4096, and this 4096 again we multiply by 8, then we will get 32,768. Now we multiply 8 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 5 times. Therefore our result will be this one. This one is the answer. Next, Question number 2. Here given, express the following in exponential form. Here given 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 how many times given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's why 2 raised to the power 7. Next, if it is given b into b into b into b, 4 times given b, and a into a into a. A how many times? 3 times. That's why b raised to the power 4. Why we write 4? Because here b given 4 times and a raised to the power 3, because here a given 3 times. Can you express like this way? If it is given in factorized form, we can write in exponential form like this way. First you count how many times are given, that one we write as a exponent power. Next, question number 3. Express the following number as a product of power of prime factor. All of you know prime factor. What do you mean by prime factor? The factor which has only 2 factor, 1 and itself. We have to express this one 84 as a product of prime factor. Now if we factorize like this way, 2 here smallest factor is 84, 2. 2 is the prime factor. 1 is also factor, but 1 is not a prime number. 2, if we divide by 2, then 42, again 42 divided by 2, then 21, 21 divided by 3, then 7. That's why 85 we can express as a prime number 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 how many times? 2 times. That's why we write in exponential form 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 into 7. This one we can express this 84 product of prime factor. Similarly, number B 112, 112. Again, if we divide, if it is even number, first we have to divide by 2, because we have to express as a product of prime. Now if we divide by 2, then 56 will come. 56 again even number, that's why divide by 2, then we will get 28. 28 also even number, that's why we divide by 2, then 14. 14 also even number, that's why we have to divide by 2, then we will get 7. Now this one 4, 2 how many times? 4 times. That's why 2 4 times and 7 1 times. Therefore these 4 times we express in the exponential notation 2 raised to the power 4 into 7. This way we express product of prime. Next, number 4, here given 2187 as a power of 3. First we have to factorize, prime factorize. If we divide by 3 2187, then we will get 729. Again we divide by 3, then 243. Like if we divide by 3, then 81. If we divide by 3, then 27. 27 if we divide by 3, 9. And 9 divided by 3, then 9. We have to express as a product of power of 3. That's why if we factorize, then 3 how many times? 7 times. That's why 7 times we multiplied 3. That's why we write in exponential form, power form, what? 3 to the power 7. Why we write 3 to the power 7? Because 3 multiplied how many times? 7 times.